Hey guys, it's Blackstone Betty and I'm showing you how to make a pork roll, egg and cheese bagel breakfast sandwich on the Blackstone. If you don't know what pork roll is, it's also known as Taylor ham or Taylor pork roll. It's a New Jersey made breakfast meat. So when you open it up before you cook it, you have to put a few slits in it. That ensures that our pork roll will not bubble up or curl up while it cooks. So just right down onto the Blackstone, all we're doing is heating this on both sides until it has some nice color on both sides. While that is cooking, we are going to toast up some everything bagels, one of my favorites. See that beautiful color on the pork roll? Give it a flip so that we can get some color on the other side. Next, we're going to fry up some eggs in a little bit of butter. I like a dippy egg. Dippy egg means runny yolk, whether it's sunny side up, over easy, or even over medium, as long as we have some of that yolk dripping out of our sandwich. I love a drippy sandwich. To our pork roll, we're adding a slice of American cheese. Get your American cheese sliced at your deli. Then we're gonna just assemble our sandwiches. Once that cheese is melty and has a little bit of a cheese skirt, flip over our bagels, start assembling. We do bagel, cheese, pork roll, cheese, egg. You could add another piece of cheese if you want. So bagel, cheese, pork roll, cheese, egg, cheese, bagel. That is the perfect breakfast sandwich that you could have next to a scrabble egg and cheese. Don't give me that face, Nate. Scrabble is amazing. And that's that. That's a pork roll, egg and cheese sandwich. So simple, so easy. And the best thing is, making them on a Blackstone, you could make like 20 at a time instead of how your mom did it growing up and made like 2 at a time. So that's that. Eat it, enjoy it. If you can't get your hands on pork roll, search for it, look for it, because you need to taste it. It's amazing. It's the best. If you do make these, be sure to post them. Tag me, Blackstone Betty. Be sure to follow us on YouTube, Blackstone Products YouTube. Subscribe, hit the bell. Follow us on blackstoneproducts.com, Instagram, Facebook, everywhere, everything. And I will see you guys in the next video.